Good morning, students. Let us start our new topic, combining addition and subtraction. Okay. For example, 20 minus 30 plus 50 is there. To do this problem, we need two steps. Step 1. Add the first number to the number with the plus sign before it. In the three numbers 20, 30, 40, 50, first we will write 20, and in 30, 50, which one is having plus sign before it? Yes, 50. So we'll add 20 plus 50, then we'll get 70. Now look at step 2. From the sum, subtract the number with the minus sign before it. Now we got 70. 70 minus, which one is having subtraction symbol? Yes, 30. So 70 minus 30 equal to 40. Therefore, we got 40 as answer. 20 minus 30 plus 50 equal to 40. Now look at examples. Example 1. 986 plus 287 minus 346. Okay. Here we have to do addition and subtraction. First we will do addition. First we have to write the first number. Okay. 986 plus, in these two, which one is having plus symbol before it? Yes, it is having. So we have to write first this number and do this addition. Okay. 6 plus 7. Yes, 6 plus 7 is 13. 3 is here. 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 here. 1 taken as carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. And 10 plus 2, 12. 1273 we got. Now write this answer here, 1273. Okay. Now these two completed. Now which number is having minus symbol before it? Yes, 346. Now we'll write here 346 and do subtraction. From 3 we can subtract 6. No. So take borrow. It will be 13. This 7 will become 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. 6 minus 4, 2. Now from 2 we can subtract 3. No. So take borrow. It will be 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Therefore we got 927. Now therefore 986 plus 287 minus 346 equal to 927 is the answer. Okay, like this you have to. Now look at second example. Okay, 896 minus 234 plus 792 is there. Okay, then first we have to write first number, 896. Now look, in these two, which one is having plus symbol before it? Yes, this 792 have plus symbol, so we'll write here 792. Now add these two. 6 plus 2, 8. So we'll write here 8. Now 9 plus 9, 18. 8 here, 1 taken as carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Therefore 1688. Now write this 1688 here and do subtraction. Which number is having subtraction symbol before it is? Yes, 234. These two are completed here. Left this one. So 234 will write here. You have to write according to their places. Ones place below ones place. Okay. Tens place below tens place, like that. Now do subtraction. 8 minus 4, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 will be 1. Now therefore, what is question? 896 minus 234 plus 792 equal to 1454 is the answer. Okay, this is second example. Now look at third. These are three digits numbers I took. Now I will explain for 4-digit numbers. Okay, which numbers? 4-digit numbers. Now third example, 4986 plus 1876 minus 2987. Okay, same as this, we'll write first number here 4986, then we have to write the number which one is having addition symbol before it. Yes, it is having addition symbol, so we'll write here 1876. Now do addition. Okay, 6 plus 6 12, 2 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 7 16, 6 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 8 18, 8 here, 1 taken as carry, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 6. Therefore 6862 we got. Now this number we have to write here up, 6862. Here we did addition, so minus. In this, which one is having subtraction symbol before the number? Yes, this number is having, so we'll write this number here. Now 2 minus 7, 2 minus 7 we can't do, so take borrow, it will be 12. This 6 will become 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now from 5 we can subtract 8. No, so take borrow, it will be 15. Here it will be 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 7 minus 9. No, we can't do, so take borrow, it will be 17. This is 5. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 5 minus 2 3. Therefore we got 3875. Therefore we got, therefore this question 4986 plus 1876 minus 2987 equal to what answer we got? 3875. This is answer. Okay, like this you have to do. Now look at fourth question. Okay, 7900 minus 2346 plus 9872. Now look, we'll write first number here, then in this 2 which one is having addition symbol? Yes, for this we have addition symbol, so we'll write first here 9872, then add this 2, 0 plus 2 2, 0 plus 7 7, 9 plus 8 is 17, 16, 17, so 1 carry, 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 9 is 17. Therefore we got 17,772. Now we will write here 17,772. Do subtraction. In this number completed and this we did addition. Which one is left? 2346. It is having subtraction symbol, so we'll do subtraction. Now from 2 we can subtract 6. No, so take borrow, it will be 12. This 7 will become 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 and 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 3 4. 7 minus 2 5 and this one is 1. Therefore we got this answer. Therefore 7900 minus 2346 plus 9872 equal to 15426 is the answer. Okay, like this you have to do. Very easy. Step 1 is, first we have to write first number and we have to choose which one is having addition symbol before it. If it is having addition symbol, then we have to add these two and then subtract this number. If it is having addition symbol, then we have to add these two and subtract this. Like that you have to do. This is combining addition and subtraction. Okay, thank you.